Hello everyone, I'm Tanvi from India. In this video, we will learn how you can create Disco libraries in Flipgrid. So for that, you should have an account on Flipgrid, and I will click on the educator login so that we can see that what is inside the Disco libraries, which is powered by Flipgrid. So here you can see that a button is there, that is a Disco library. So basically Disco library is a database of different topics created by educators around the globe. So here you can see that there are a number of thumbnails from conversation starters. There are the National WW2 Museum, the Met, Skype in the Classroom, Nearpod, Vocabulary, and many more. So here you can see that there are some topics created by some educators around the globe, and there is a filter. So let us see what is there, what is that. And so here you can see that you can search as per the preschool, KG, elementary school, middle school, high school, higher education, parent or family oriented topics, professional, and librarian too. So after that you can also choose your subject, that on which topic you want to see the various library options for you, that you can have arts beyond the classroom, community, business, career and technical education, computer science, digital citizenship, and there are many more options to choose topics. So here let me click on any topic that is created by this Melissa Cantor, and title is Empathy Part 3, and target audience is all, everyone can see this topic, and the subject is beyond the classroom or community. So when we will click on this particular topic, so see what we can see here. So watch and respond. As per the topic created by this creator, ask a grown-up in your life about the time they had to practice staying out of the maze. What steps did they take? So this is a kind of a question so that you can ask from your students about this particular topic, and you can see here that audience is all, everyone, and it is having some integration notes as well. So you can put your notes as well in this particular option, that is a social emotional learning. So this is coming under the subject that is beyond the classroom. So let us search few topics. So here I will type higher education, and the subject can be digital citizenship, so that I will come to know about what is there for higher education under the digital sign citizenship. So here I can see my own topic that is created by me, Tanveer Singh, and the title of that particular topic is Wakelet for Educators, and the subject is digital citizenship. So let us see that how I have created this topic and how it is useful for all the educators. So I have mentioned the question that how can educators use Wakelet. So this is a kind of question that we can ask in the Flipgrid for our co-educators, that how you are using Wakelet being an educator. So this is kind of a question, or it is a topic for all the educators to use. And if this topic is created by some other educator, so I will have an option here to select a grid where I want to see the topic and where I would like to save this particular topic. So I can, whichever the grid I will select here, this particular topic that is Wakelet for Educator will be added in that particular grid. And I have added some integration notes as well, which says educators can take this topic as a case study on how useful resources can be made available on Wakelet, organize and share with world hassle free. It will help learners to explore thousands of different strategic ways to upload their content for students, colleagues, or anyone on the earth for learning. So this is how you can see the different topics. And now let us see that how you can contribute to the Disco libraries, which is powered by Flipgrid. So for that, I will take you to my grids option. So first you have to create a grid, and under that, suppose you have created a SDG 2030 goal number 4, and under this particular grid created by you, you have to create any topic. So you can see here I have created the 3 topics, that is incorporating MOOCs in classroom, uses of technology in education, and quality education. Suppose this particular topic I would like to send to the Disco library. So it is very simple. Just you have to click on the action button, and there will be an option that is add to Disco library. So for that, you have learnt you have to create a grid, and under that you have to create a topic, and you will add all the details in that particular topic, and then you will click add to Disco library. So it will take you to this interface where you can choose the audience, just like we have seen that what is there in Disco library. So you can say all everyone. So here you can select the subject as digital citizenship, and here you can add your any topic. So you can write any topic in this, that how MOOCs, that is massive open online courses, can be used in classroom. So this will be the question to all the educators, and this is also required, that incorporating MOOCs in classroom. This is already taken by Disco library, and how students can explore more widely their classroom topic out of their regular curriculum. So here you can add some focus, your own image, or this is an optional. So and then we will click on the add to Disco library. So let us see what happens. So Flipgrid says that your topic has been sent to Flipgrid team for review. Once approved, it will be shared in the Disco library. So this means once you have created the topic, Flipgrid team will review, and if it is approved, it will goes here. So here you can select your audience, your subject, and your created library or topic will appear here. So this is how you can see other educators topic as well, which you can add to your on-grid, and you can also contribute your own topic to the Disco library. So this is all about the wonderful feature by Flipgrid, that is the Disco library. Thank you so much.